Hello everyone, my name is Praveen Shivaji Bangar, currently pursuing mechanical degree at Government College of Engineering Karad. I have completed my SSC from Shravan Bharti Baba Prashala Munguswade, Ahmednagar with 91.40 percentage. I have completed my HSC from Bharti Jain Sangatna Junior College Wagoli, Pune with 63.35 percentage. Till today, I have been part of different clubs in my college. I have been working as advertising member along with event management team under cultural committee. I also work as a guest lecturer committee head under MESA. As a major project, I have been working as a subsystem head in a team Pratham, which is part of SAE Tiffin competition, India. As a minor project, we made a beach cleaner. In achievements, we won a special prize for smart security system in Idathon competition. I am also familiar with computer language like Python and drafting softwares like AutoCAD and CATIA. My hobbies are writing notes and poems. That's all from my end. I'm looking forward to join your company. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Chetanda Kothare from Satara. Now I am pursuing BTech Mechanical in Government College of Engineering Karad. I had completed my 12th from Yeshwantrao Chavan Institute of Science College Satara and 10th from Maharaja Sahajrao Vidyalaya Satara. My interests are mechatronics and robotics, and my skills are programming, SolidWorks, and field related to robotics and automation like IoT, microcontrollers, machine learning, and image processing. I also coordinator of GCK Robo Club. There I working on various projects like Robocon, Flipkart GRID, and I also completed my Python and total quality management internship training program.
Hello everyone, I am Snehal Yadav. I am currently pursuing my mechanical degree from Government College of Engineering Karad. I have completed my SSC from Krantijyoti Sartre Phule Vidyalaya Naigaon with 86 percentage and HSC from Jnana Samvardhini Junior College Shirwal with 69 percentage. Nowadays I have been part of many clubs. I am in Defense Club where we are preparing for the competitive exams like CDS, FCAT and extracurricular activities. I have worked for the Science Day Committee as a coordinator to manage the activities. I also participated in the hackathon, ideathon competitions where we won the special prize for the ideathon competition. As a major project, I have been working under the digging subsystem in Team Pratham, which are held by the SA India Tiffin competition. And as a minor project, we made a beach cleaner. Along with these activities, I am learning the language C, and I also interested to draw the realistic sketches and some wall paintings. Thanking you in anticipation.
Hello everyone, my name is Prathamesh Arun Shinde. My native place is Solapur, Maharashtra. Currently I am pursuing third year in mechanical engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad. My interests include robotics, mechatronics, hydraulics and design. My soft skills include SolidWorks, ANSYS, CATIA, AutoCAD and C++ and Arduino programming. Throughout course, I worked on several projects. Recently, I worked on Flipkart Grid Robotics 3.0 challenge. In this, we have to develop a bot which will deliver a packet to a certain location at a certain time. And currently, I am working on Robocon 2022, which is a national level event. In this event, I am involved in designing team. Also, I am part of GCK Robo Club and aptitude test portal. My hobbies are playing chess and playing cricket. That's all about me. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. Thanks for giving me chance to introduce myself. I am Pratik Shankar Moite. I come from Debewadi, Patan. I am currently pursuing my BTech in Mechanical Engineering. I completed my SSC from Kakasaheb Sawan Mahavidyalaya Thalmavde and I scored 67.8%. I completed my HSC from Karmayu Bharapad Vidyalaya Debewadi in which I scored 93.2%. Throughout my years in BTech, I have taken parts in activities like Science Day project in which I received a special prize for building double wishbone suspension and minor project in which I built a bleach cleaner. I am currently familiar with programming language like C and drafting software like AutoCAD and CATIA. I am a hardworking student who likes to solve riddles. I am a curious guy who likes to solve problems and love to watch documentaries. Thank you.
Everyone, I am Saurabh Santosh Nalvade. I am from Karad. Currently, I am pursuing my BTech degree in third year Mechanical Engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I have completed my SSC from Sri Sadguru Gadge Maharaj Vidyalay, Kusur, and HSC from Sadguru Gadge Maharaj College, Karad, with aggregate percentage of 90 and 67 respectively. My current CGPA is 7.4. Along with mechanical, I am passionate about programming languages like C and Python. My hobbies are reading books and playing cricket. I am part of some mini projects like wireless control car and opening and closing mechanism of automatic gates of them. I am also part of our college cricket team, which recently secured third prize in zonal cricket tournament and qualified for interzonal cricket tournament. I am looking forward to join company and using my knowledge to solve a real industry problem and learn more from the industry to update myself. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Sejal Basuraj Kaduganche. I am basically from Latur but currently staying at Meerut. I have completed my schooling from Sri Deshikendra High School, Latur, and my intermediate from Sri Tripura Junior Science College, Latur. Currently, I am studying my mechanical engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I have completed trainings like TQM 6 Sigma and Industrial Safety in online mode. I have done a mini project of enclosure for 3D printing. I know the C language and I am learning a C++ language. My hobbies include various craft making, and as I am a mechanical student, my skills include designing models in AutoCAD as well as in CATIA software. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Pradeep Pandro Meghar from Kolhapur. I am pursuing in Government College of Engineering, Karad, BTech Mechanical Engineering. I passed out HSC from DC Narke Vidyaniketan Kudithre with 89.80% and HSC from Balaji Junior College, Ichalkaranji with 73.80%, and I also completed the project of double visual suspension system at the Science Day, and also completed the project of casing of 3D printer, and now forward I am looking for company job. Thank you.
Hello, I am Tejas Vajay, pursuing BTech Mechanical Engineering from Government College of Engineering, Kara. I passed SSC from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalay, Palus. I passed HSC from Ligad Patel Junior Science College, Karad. My hobbies are playing games and traveling. At life skill, I believe creativity, teamwork, and adaptability are important things I have. I done internship in TQM and Six Sigma. For the mini project, I worked on low cost ventilator using slider crank mechanism. I am working on major project in transmission under SAE in Tiffin, and I am the transmission head of the Tiffin. In apart from that, in extracurricular activities, I worked on NSS activity under organized by Government College of Karad. I am also participated in Avishkar, which is held by the Government College of Engineering, Karad, at national level. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Harsha Pramod Temre. I am from Akot, district Akola. I have completed my SSC from Sri Bhausaheb Pote Vidyalaya Akot with 95.40% and completed my HSC from Babu Jagjivan Junior College Akot with 79.23%. Currently I am pursuing BTech Mechanical degree in Government College of Engineering, Karad with CGPA 8.3. I have completed trainings like Industrial Safety, Python, TQM, Six Sigma. I have also completed the course in Internet of Things. I have completed projects like motion detection sensor and casing for 3D printer. I have also worked in competitions like Flipkart Grid 3.0. My skills include SolidWorks, and my hobby is exploring and riding bikes. I am looking forward to join your company. Thank you.